Hi everyone, I am Garo Aryan and welcome back to Structured to Scale. Today we're diving into one of the most important releases of AI that HubSpot has ever launched, the Breeze AI Customer Agent, your 24/7 AI concierge for marketing, sales, and service. This isn't just a chatbot, this is a fully trained agent that books meetings, qualifies leads, answers pricing questions, resolves support issues, and it all runs off your CRM data. Let me show you how it works and how to do the setup and how we turn this on your HubSpot portal. Alright, so let's jump in and I'll share my screen. This is the official HubSpot page for the AI Customer Agent. Right at the top, HubSpot calls it your 24/7 AI concierge, and that's exactly what it is. You scroll down and you see the three biggest things it does. Qualify prospects and book meetings automatically. This replaces your SDR triage, instantly answers pricing questions and sales questions fully scripted from your CRM, and it resolves support issues with empathy because it pulls real customer data, order history, and ticket context. Let me show you how and what it looks like in action. Here's on the right, the AI agent immediately understands the visitor's intent, the user, as well as whether they want to talk to sales, get help, or book a demo with us. So that is the first piece. And then you can have the interaction piece where this is all generated automatically but powered by your product data, knowledge base, and your CRM. And then it works cross-team because Breeze sits across the customer journey. It can move from sales to service without losing any context. Human reps never see this level of continuity, but the AI can. Alright, let's talk about when you should or shouldn't be using the AI agent. Use it when you get the same repetitive inbound questions every day. Your SDR team is overloaded. Your CS team takes too long to reply, and you want 24/7 coverage without hiring an overnight shifts. Don't use it when conversations require heavy human nuance, you don't have a good CRM data yet, you're not ready for automated qualification logic. This is a multiplier, not a replacement for your team. So there's two ways to activate it today. You can either go to see how it works and test it, and then this is how it's gonna look like, and then demo it for you based on the questions you ask it, send and have responses, or you can talk to your partner which help you set up for a faster route. You can contact me and we can help you with it. Once activated, you'll find it inside the Breeze Studio under the AI agent of HubSpot, and you can customize its behavior and so on. So it's all set up in here in your customer AI agent. So you can manage it, give it specific knowledge sources, actions, hand it off to humans, and then having deployment of the agent. And you can also check performance reports, how many conversations have been done, and so on. So that's the HubSpot Breeze AI Customer Agent, one of the easiest ways to scale sales, marketing, and support without sacrificing quality. If you want tutorials on how to actually set this up inside your HubSpot portal, hit the subscribe button because I've got a full built walkthrough coming next. I'm Garo Aryan and this is HubSpot Shortcuts, and I'll see you on the next one.